Mangesh asks, how can we be sure that this waking world appears in consciousness and not in the mind, like our dreams?
Because the mind also appears in consciousness. Notice, the dreams also appear in consciousness. Nothing really can appear in a mind without consciousness. I mean, what's a mind? Just the crudest example. You just think right now ABCD. I just thought ABCD. ABCD is just like mental talk. To experience it, it must be illumined by consciousness. You experience the mind saying ABCD, like, ABCD. If things are appearing in the mind, to experience them, there must be consciousness. So ultimately, dreams are also illumined by consciousness. Without consciousness, no dream can be experienced. See, I don't want to get into it. Just look at the difference between what has been achieved. We are living in the age of ChatGPT. I was playing around with it yesterday. It's an amazing thing. And one gentleman asked me, so what do you think? This ChatGPT is intelligence. Like its behavior is so intelligent. Far, far more than your Google. You can ask it to do things and it does it for you. Students are delighted. All their assignments, it can be done. And I have heard, I've got reports that there are academic meetings taking place in academic departments across the world. Right now, emergency meetings. How do you deal with students turning in beautiful assignments all written by AI, not by them? So they are banning it now. It won't work. Banning it won't work, only temporarily. How do you distinguish it from consciousness? Notice, I said this is a powerful argument for Vedanta. Why just Vedanta? For Sankhya, or Advaita, for Sankhya, for Buddhism. For the unique nature of consciousness. Why? Now you have these powerful AI, artificial intelligence, which can replicate every function which we thought was peculiar to the human mind. Creativity. They're writing beautiful stories now. Very soon they'll win awards. Computer-generated art won an award. And there was a huge outcry. And I saw an article, the prejudice against computer-generated art. So, creativity, intelligence. It's writing, it's responding to you, and you can carry on an intelligent conversation with ChatGPT. So, what's the difference? The difference is there only in one thing, which is consciousness. Notice, the one thing that all of these AIs, the tremendous amount of development in computer science, the one thing it cannot replicate is consciousness. ChatGPT has no inner consciousness, no experience of being an artificial intelligence chatbot. How do I know that? I asked it. And are you having internal experiences? I didn't ask it, a student asked and sent me the results. Are you having internal experiences? Then it said, no, I am I'm a programmed, like natural language processing thing, and I have no consciousness. So this devotee sent me the answer from ChatGPT. It has no consciousness. Anyway, we knew that. Because if you ask those who programmed it, have you programmed it for intelligence? Yes. Have you programmed it for speech recognition? Yes. Have you programmed it for editing text and generating new text? Yes. For creativity? Yes. Have you programmed it for consciousness? Wait. No. Why not? We don't know how. It's not only that they are not conscious, the interesting thing is, across the world, computer science experts, the programmers, artificial intelligence experts, neuroscientists, they will all tell you, we have no idea at all. We have no idea where to begin to program something for consciousness. Nobody has any idea. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. How strange. My question was, intelligence, creativity, memory, these are all amazing things. And you can replicate them through computers. Powerful computers can all... Somebody said, look, they are not doing exactly what we are doing when we think, we imagine. Right. But they are doing a really good job of imitating. and giving the products, like the outward behavior is very similar. But these are all amazing things. Creativity is amazing, intelligence is amazing, memory is amazing. All of these are amazing things. Consciousness is a very simple thing. What does consciousness do actually, practically? Only one thing. It gives you first-person experience, an inner feeling of color and sound and pressure and light and desire and thought and emotion and identity. Just feeling. That's all. Just the feeling, the experience of life itself. That's what it gives you. Only one thing it does, first-person experience. It should be pretty simple to program it. But no. There's no... And there is enough data, because we are all conscious, except the few zombies who might be here. We are all conscious. How extraordinary. These advances, I'm telling you, they are a powerful validation of this ancient insight that consciousness is unique. And it is the core of our existence, of what we are.